In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Monday.com board with Outlook, allowing you to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's start by opening up your Monday.com board. This is the one you want to connect with Outlook, so make sure you have it handy. Once you're on the right board, you'll need to access the Integration Center. Look for the Integrate button, which you should find at the top right corner of your board. Clicking this will open up a range of integration options available to you. In the Integration Center, there's a handy search bar, and here you'll want to type Outlook. This will bring up various Outlook integrations that are designed to support emails, calendars, and tasks. Select the one that fits your needs best. The great thing about Monday.com "S" integration with Outlook is that it provides quite a bit of flexibility depending on what you're looking to achieve. After selecting the Outlook integration, you'll need to choose an automation recipe that suits your workflow. For instance, you might want an item to be created in Monday.com every time you receive an email in Outlook. Alternatively, consider having an Outlook email sent out anytime a new item is created in Monday.com. These recipes are highly customizable, so think about what will optimize your specific processes. Once you've picked your recipe, click the Add to Board button to apply it. Now, we need to connect your Outlook account. You'll do this by clicking Connect. This will prompt you to sign in using your Microsoft or Outlook credentials. It's important to carefully follow the on-screen prompts and grant the necessary permissions that Monday.com requests. These permissions are essential so that the two platforms can communicate effectively. Once your accounts are connected, it's time to configure the integration. This part involves mapping the fields between Outlook and Monday.com. You'll want to think about how emails, subjects, recipients, dates, and any other relevant information should correspond with your Monday.com items. During this step, pay special attention to setting up triggers and conditions based on your workflow requirements. This ensures that the integration operates smoothly and in alignment with your business needs. Finally, don't forget to activate the integration by saving it. Once saved, your Monday.com board and Outlook account will start syncing automatically. Emails, tasks, or calendar events will now be managed according to the recipe you've selected, allowing your workflow to become more efficient and less fragmented. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Monday.com with Outlook. This seamless connection will help keep all your important data synchronized, saving you time and reducing the risk of missing any crucial updates or deadlines. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.